Everybody loves to hear that they have performed a job well done, and we are no exception. Our goal is to give every customer 5-star service, and it usually results in our customers sharing their experience with the world. Take a look at what one of our customers said about us. It just never gets old when our customers post these types of experiences online. We take pride in knowing we are making our customers happy. It makes us happy as we continue to work hard to provide the best service possible. Making our customer happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make our customers happy each and every day while growing our customer base. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? See what excellent results we can achieve working for you by utilizing our extensive knowledge and experience. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the internet today. We look forward to talking to you.